Finally, the time has come for us to build our new home.
We have been waiting for a long time for this happening.
So surprising. Rain in Mongolia in the summer. But today, it's just digging. Why are we always getting ourselves into this?
I don't know.
We start something and then we have to finish it. Whether we do it by hand or we get a small digger. I vote small digger, but it's a lot of money.
I want to.
It's a lot of money.
Are you ready to help?
Concrete work is a messy job.
Concrete shower.
Concrete shower. More manual labor. Here last week was the 𝐑𝐞𝐚𝐜 holidays, so we just spent some time with a lot of our family, went into the city, tried some 𝐑𝐞𝐚𝐜 hoshor.
Yeah.
𝐑𝐞𝐚𝐜 hoshor for this year.
The tourist said the cold beer will be nice here.
But now the holidays are over, so we're getting back to work. If you saw in the last episode, we got a delivery for our brand new gear, which has been given to us from Moon Gift Gears. We are partnering up with them, so we are going to be showing you the whole process from start to finish, how you put a gear together, how you furnish it, how you decorate it, and in the winter, what is it like to actually live and cook and be in a gear here in Mongolia. Yeah. According to National Geographic, more than half of Mongolians live in gears. 61% of them live in Ulaanbaatar in gears, and more than 90% in rural areas.
Roughly,
according to National Geographic. If you have different numbers, you're welcome to put them in the link down below. They have a lot of work to do, so let me show you what the plan is. So we have taken some measurements. This is where we're going to actually build the gear on our property, just behind the solar panels, close to our winter greenhouse, which is going to make it easy to go there. The gear we got is a 5-wall gear. It comes in different sizes. This 5-wall gear is actually the same size as a standard Mongolian 6-wall, so that's 580 wide. It's a little bit taller than a standard gear, which makes it nice for us taller people. All gears in Mongolia are built with the door facing south, so we're coming a little bit this way so we have some space behind the solar panels to do something nice. Because our ground is at about a 20-degree angle, we need to kind of level that off. We're going to do a round concrete platform, mostly with concrete blocks and concrete and insulation to keep the floor warm in the winter. I know in Mongolia we're probably going to have loads and loads of comments about different ways to do it, because of course this is the first time we're building a gear platform and there are many ways to do it, and I'm sure there's millions of experts out there who know how to build it better. So this is our first time. If we're making any mistakes, please forgive us. Let's mock this up and start digging.
hello. Okay, come have a look. What did Daddy do?
Because we want to do a perfectly round concrete frame for this, we've just taken the middle section so we know exactly where the gear is going to be in the middle. We're going to make the concrete a little bit bigger than the gear itself. We've got a little washer on here, a little dispenser, and we're going to put some chalk and make a perfect circle.
And it's raining.
And just as I say that, the rain comes. So surprising. Rain in Mongolia in the summer. The weather here this year has been so unpredictable. Actually, people around the world have been saying that the weather has been, you can't trust the weather at all this year. But anyway, we've had lightning storm after lightning storm, rain, super hot, but at least we have the cover.
Yeah.
So we can still be outside. Wait for the rain and then start digging. No, then we just take it a little bit on the outside.
Okay.
And then enough for one block and a little bit more. All the way around. So we can level it out. This reminds me of when we did the grounding.
Yeah.
Manual labor. Anyway, yes, we're going to dig it out by hand. Yes, we could get a little digger truck to come out and dig it up, but that's not in our budget. So manual labor. All right. Where's your brother? Where's Achiko?
Call Achiko. Who's gonna call?
We'll see how the ground's quite hard, I think. So we're going to go down around 20 centimeters, and we worked out that we're going to be about 1 concrete block just out of the ground, and then we're either going to go 2 up or 3 up. The angle is quite high. We have a plan for that, otherwise, you know, it would be really, really high, and we don't want the gear being that high. So, but today it's just digging. So it's going to be a long day. This ground is quite hard, a lot of rocks.
Yeah.
Anyway, okay, we crack on. Flat. We got the circle done. At least all the grass is taken away from the circle. We're just trying to work out to get it, how we're going to get it level. We don't want to go too high in the front, so we'd like to keep it at least 40 centimeters in the front and not 60. Otherwise it's going to look a bit funny, and then we have to do decking and stuff, so that's going to be hard. So we're just trying to work out exactly how deep we need to go at the back so that we can have blocks here, blocks there, and it's going to be level. And then of course we're going to have to go a little bit higher later so that it's protected from the rainwater. Yeah, hard work digging. So we see how much we need to take away from here, and whether we do it by hand or we get a small digger. I vote small digger, but it's a lot of money.
I want to.
It's a lot of money. So, okay.
We'll see.
We'll see. Carry on.
Nice and big, like my thing.
Nice and big.
Digger. Big
You
digger.
have it? The big digger?
We opted to use the digger because we need to go back down quite a lot, and it's just going to take way too long. We're just working out with him. Zula's dad is here as well. How are we going to scrape it back so we can get it a little bit more level? It will make it easier for us to do the brickwork. Hopefully tomorrow if it doesn't rain. Always fun to have a digger. Destroys your grass.
Let me, what do you think?
Nice.
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 That would have taken us another 2 days to dig out, so it really helped. Of course, we're going to go around now and just scrape away the initial dig that we made. That's why we did it, to make it easier to find the circle. So once we're doing that, we're going to get all the bricks tomorrow, and then it's pretty much getting it level as we can. Then we're going to put some gravel down, lay out the bricks, get them level, and then we can start concreting them in. A little bit more digging to do today.
This is actually a big job than I thought. And you
Why?
usually, okay, we can do it by hand.
Why are we always getting ourselves into this?
I don't know.
We start something and then we have to finish it.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah, we got quite a lot done today. It was hard, but definitely it helped with the digger. But of course, we still have a lot more to do.
Fix, yeah.
Yeah, we're going to pick this up tomorrow morning, carry on digging this all out, and then hopefully the blocks will arrive tomorrow, and we can start on that. Okay, time to go cook some food.
Yes.
Be with Flame. See you guys in the morning.
Yep.
Okay. We actually couldn't do anything yesterday because it was downpouring rain the whole day yesterday. We can carry on today. It's a little bit muddy, but we need to crack on with this if we want to get it done. Just digging out some more, leveling it off. The bricks will come and we'll see if we can start laying bricks today or tomorrow. Okay, more manual labor.
I don't think just to make building gear. We'll just choose the land where you want to put on,
Yeah,
and then just set up.
yeah, can if it's flat, but our land is not. And you said no digging this year.
Exactly what happened. That's nice though. Hold
Land to play with.
So happy, Ash.
Yeah, he's
They
so
have
happy.
3 mountains everywhere. 10 mountains.
Sand mountains. We have everything here. We have our gravel, which we're going to use for the aggregate. We have our concrete. Me and Zula have just been digging out and leveling out as much as we can. We have all the blocks here. We got some extra sand. We might not need it for this project, but it's always good to have since we were getting concrete blocks anyway. So
Even Flame wants to play.
So Flame has a new sand pit. We're going to use that a bit later for another project. There's not much to do. We're going to get up bright and early and start on the blocking. Tomorrow morning is block work.
Work, work, work.
Work, work, work. Okay, now it's time for some dinner.
Okay.
Good morning.
Come on
What are we doing today?
in. Here.
We're going to build the gear. Good. Gone are the days of the bathtub. When we built the greenhouse and we've done so many projects, we've always used the bathtub and mixed it by hand. No more bathtub.
You happy?
I'm very happy.
Are you ready to help? What's that one?
Yes. Oh. It's a shape.
Shape. You don't know the shape.
Like this.
Oh. Like that shape. Okay.
Just trying to work out how we're going to tackle this since we haven't done a project like this with being round bricks. Trying to get everything level. So we're being a bit methodical, step by step. We're going to do kind of the front section first. That's going to be 2 bricks high. Then we're going to go up a level and do the back, which is going to be 1 brick high. That's kind of our job. See how much we can get done today, but we want to get this all the brickwork done. So then we can start filling up, putting in the foam and then pouring the top. So that's the plan. So that we can have a nice base for our new gear. All right, let's get this done.
Now you guys are more professional. You are the
As soon as Dad wants to do the brickwork, I'm happy. I'm going to let him do it. So basically what we're doing is putting concrete down, putting the brick, getting it as level as possible, moving to the next brick, getting that one level, getting the line right, and then we will come and fill up here. And of course when we go to the second level, we're going to do it alternatively, and then we will fill everything up later. Because we'll just a slow process, one by one, get it as level as we can, and later on when we do the top we can fix any angles that we get wrong with the bricks. Moving on.
Filling up.
We all have our jobs. Dad does the bricks, I do the filling.
Yeah.
The first half is done. 2 levels on this side. So now all of this is level, match. So now we're just making sure that the other half is going to be level and match. And then we can put 1 brick all the way around, and then we're done. We can start to put up these, let it dry a bit, and then once that's done we can start to backfill and flatten up everything.
I'm just ready. Oh, do this, Ochko, do this. Tamam. Tövbe siktir ne? Just sitting around here.
Blocks is always good for the back.
Yeah.
All the bricks kind of fit together, so that's great.
Nice.
Now,
Perfect.
now we need to just fill up and let it dry for a bit.
Good job.
Now it's my job.
You're filling up.
Yeah, it's going to take a couple more concrete mixes, I think.
Yeah. Ja, is that it? Ah, bitches 없고 뭐.
Thank you.
Nice. Love you, Daddy.
Thank you.
How's it?
Good. Mom's German's best. Oh, the same. Homemade kimchi.